Hello everyone, this is my review of the Dongmuwujee solid wood extendable dining table. Being able to extend the table when you need more workspace and then fold it back down helps save a lot of room, especially in smaller kitchens. The table expands from approximately 47.2 inches to 70.8 inches and can be configured in various shapes to suit your needs. I also like how sturdy it feels. The solid rubber wood construction gives it a much more substantial feel compared to many particle board furniture pieces. Another thing that stood out was how easy the assembly was. Most of the work is already done, and you mainly attach the legs, which makes setup much faster than many large furniture pieces. The flexibility is a huge plus. It serves as a dining table for everyday meals, expands for guests, and can even provide additional workspace when needed. I also like the rounded edges and clean design. It looks modern while still fitting in with a variety of home styles. The size adjustment is probably my favorite feature. One day it can serve as a compact table for everyday use, and the next, it can comfortably accommodate larger family meals or gatherings. It can seat 4 to 8 people comfortably and accommodate larger gatherings when fully extended. Overall, it's a practical space-saving piece that gives you the flexibility of a larger table without permanently taking up the extra room. If you need an expandable table that looks good, feels sturdy, and adapts to different situations, this is definitely worth checking out. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.